We're going to redo the reception, going to push that all back, a lot more clearly visible, less of a cram entrance. We're going to expand the whole seating area. We're removing that section. The barbering section is going to go to that space for Rian, because he needs to have obviously enough space to do the whole cutthroat shaving and all of that. Going to keep all of these stations. We are breaking through that wall. Just an open space, moving all the basins into its own little zen area, adding an additional basin just so there's less congestion. I want to redo all the color bar. I have a completely different separate section on that side as well. Redo the kitchen, which is also going to go to the back, and it's just all going to be a lot more open space, airy, because right now it's just we've gotten too big. Our space is too small for everyone that's working here, and all the clients we would like to see, and they have to send away because we're too busy and don't have enough seats.